Germany's Chancellor Olaf Scholz is just back from a bridge-building trip to Beijing, but the debate over the sale of critical German infrastructure to China, well, it continues. The German government looks set to block the sale of a chip production facility owned by the Dortmund-based company Elmos to Sweden's Silex, which is a unit of China's Sai group. The German intelligence service had warned of security concerns, but initially it looked like the sale would go ahead, especially after Mr. Scholz pushed through the sale of a almost 25% stake in a Hamburg port terminal to Chinese shipping giant COSCO. Now the sale looks like it would be prohibited. DW Business reporter Cassandra Sund is here to give us some more insight. Cassandra, tell us more about Elmos, this chip maker, and what exactly is at stake here.
Well, you've outlined it pretty good so far, but let me elaborate a little bit. The drama really does start last year. At the end of 2021, it looks like the sale of this unit in Dortmund in the west of Germany is going to go ahead. The company had announced its intention to sell the production of the so-called wafers in Dortmund to Silex for a total of about $85 million. But this Swedish company was owned by the Chinese Sai group. At the time, Elmos management was saying that it was pushing for the sale because it needed an outside investor to secure the future of the site. And it was under these conditions that initially it looked like the Economy Ministry was going to approve the deal. And for once, the Chancellery and the Economy Ministry seemed like they were on the same page. But now we're getting news that that might not be the case. And tomorrow we could get an official decision that it's being reversed.
The government speaking with one voice, certainly a good thing. Why would the government block this deal when it just greenlit the sale of, or when it allowed COSCO to buy into a terminal at the Hamburg port? Well,
it might actually be because of that deal. There was a ton of pushback as the deal kind of got revised and moved forward last week. And it might just frankly look bad for Berlin to look like it's giving another thumbs up to another deal involving China, involved with what some might call critical infrastructure. So this might be a situation where, because that deal was so controversial politically, both internationally, the U.S. even weighed in a little bit, and domestically, that this deal with Silex and Elmos might get the chop.
We have to say, though, that a final decision has not been made public yet. The German cabinet, the cabinet is likely to decide on Wednesday on that. Cassandra Sund of DW Business. Thank you.